In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix phone not connecting to PC but only charging. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, first of all, you need to go to your phone and then launch your phone settings. Then on your phone settings, go to search at the top there. Then search for build number. It will appear on the search result there, so just tap on it. Then you need to tap on this build number 7 times. So I'm going to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then it will ask you to enter your phone password. So you are going to enter your phone password. Then click on next. Then as you can see, you are now a developer. Once you've done that, you will now go to settings again. You will search for USB configuration. It will appear on the search result. So you are going to tap on it. Then you will see select USB configuration, charge only. So once you have identified that, you will ensure that you have inserted your cable. So connect your cable from your PC, your USB cable. Then once you've done that, you will select USB configuration, tap on that. Then select media transfer protocols. Then once you've done that, you will now close this one. Now if you wipe your screen, you are going to see file transfer via USB. Now if you go to your PC and open File Explorer, you'll be able to see your phone there, so you can be able to transfer file from your phone to your PC. So that's really it, guys. That's how to fix phone not connecting to PC but charging only. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.